What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day or not, depending on where you're at, but I hope it is awesome. And yeah, I decided, like I said, I'd be coming back on here at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to talk about some crypto, talk about basically just the market in general. We had a nice little run earlier this morning with crypto, looking pretty nice. It's coming down just slightly over the last hour, even with Bitcoin and things like that. So, always nice to talk about it. I was able to actually log back into my TradingView account and see all the markers that I made, basically for for the last, I don't know, 2 years that we've created this Bitcoin chart. And I gotta say, it's actually pretty impressive to sort of see where we were and how it's actually played out. Pretty damn good. I gotta say, my resistance lines were pretty good. I'll share that with you here shortly. But I also want to talk about the ETFs. There was some news that came out saying that we probably won't hear anything this week based off of everything that's being said out there. You know, again, neither here nor there. Whether that's true or not, I don't know. They're saying that we'll probably hear closer to January 10th, which will be next Wednesday. But the big thing is I want to sort of put something out there. Are you bearish or are you bullish when it comes to just right now with crypto? Obviously, a lot of us are bullish. But there probably are a lot of people out there that are a little bit bearish, maybe a little bit skeptical. The SEC has turned these ETFs down before. What's stopping them from turning it down again? So there's just a lot of things out there, I think, in terms of people's preference on how they feel towards this market. I'll tell you right now, I honestly am pretty damn bullish right now. I haven't probably been this bullish in quite some time. Honestly, I sort of hate the word bullish, but I mean, that's the best word to describe sort of, I guess, a feeling of where you're at with this market. I also want to continue to talk about Mara, Riot, and I'm going to be dipping my toes into another mining company that we talked about earlier this morning. I did a little bit more research on them. They are a Canadian-based mining company, and I think that I might dip my toes into those as well. I'll share that with you. But yeah, with all that, what is up, everyone? We got F Joe in here hitting it like 2 day like football practice, dude. The 2 days in football was crazy. R Lake, what's up, man? Good to see you, dude. Nakar's in the house with Nakar, Marty, Ghost, Gerald. Good to see you, man. By the dip, heck yeah, dude. I'm bearish. That tree behind you grows. It's my olive tree, dude. It's my olive tree right here. What's up, making true money? Craig, what's going on, buddy? But yeah, let's present to you this chart right here. This is pretty crazy. I'm not gonna lie. So you got to think this was over the past probably 2 years of mapping Bitcoin, and I was able to log back into my account. I had to figure it all out. I thought I lost it. But this is pretty crazy pulling this back and seeing just the resistance lines, and then obviously the breakthroughs. And like I honestly, these lines were. I have not added a single line to this chart at all. This is the first time looking at it, was like literally 15 minutes ago, and I was like, holy shit. Like this is actually pretty freaking accurate, dude. Like these lines hit right here, hit resistance, then we broke through, hit some more resistance at the next line here, came back down, almost touched the other line again, and then broke back through, hit this line of resistance again, and broke through. And like, look at this, dude. Like, honestly, the next line is this blue line up here at 50. What is that? 50,000 Bitcoin. And based off what I drew out here, I'm pretty freaking excited that, like, this was a 2 years in the making chart right here. Almost. All right. We started, yeah, I mean, 2020. Look at that. March of 2020. We started probably drawing this out in March of 20, probably January 2022. We started marking this out, dude. And here we are going into 2024, January 2024. And like, I'm just happy. Like, I'm like, dude, I'm impressed. I'm not a chart guy. You know me, dude. I don't do TA. But just off the little that I know, it's pretty badass to pull back the onion here and see how close you were mapping something out on a 2 year, within 2 years. I don't know. I was I'm just pretty impressed. I'm gonna give myself a pat on the back. F it. But yeah, pretty funny, dude. And we'll see this right now. There's actually a pullback right now in the market. You can see Bitcoin's down about 1.2%. The cryptocurrency overall still up, but Bitcoin down 1.2%. Ethereum's coming down. There was some news today dropping about the Ethereum ETFs as well, which I think is pretty cool. they're talking about that sort of being on the table. And I did add Filecoin. I told you guys I bought Filecoin. I bought $8,000 in Filecoin to add to the A team, to the A team 2024 A team portfolio. So yeah, we're getting in on this, dude. So Canadian crypto mining or mineral mining? It's crypto mining, dude. Mineral mining. Tennessee Eco Man, what's up, buddy? I got Rug. Good to see you, man. Hey, Aikisha, what's up? I don't know if I've seen you for a while, dude. Yeah, it's good to see Craig. I haven't seen Craig yet. This is probably the first time I've seen Craig. Unless you, I don't think you were in this morning. Coke Core's in the house here. Good. What's up, Coke Core? Teddy just got done. Oh, was Teddy on? I'll tell you. Oh, okay. Austin's got tie-dye background. Oh, I got green for bullish. I got red for bearish. And then you can't really see behind me, but it is green. Like that color right there is green, and then obviously red right there. So I did switch it up here a little bit. I'm trying to get a little fancier. You know what I mean? So you can see it. See, it's more bluish though for some reason, but it's actually green. And I think it's because this green right here sort of like makes that look funny. But that is green. That is green. Unless I'm going colorblind. But let's jump back into this. So I did add, like I said, I did add Filecoin. I bought Filecoin. I bought it for an average price about $6.50. So I'm actually down right now. The price for Filecoin is obviously let me pull myself out of here a little bit. The price right now is $6.30. So probably not the greatest buy, but I was a little FOMO'd on that one. I'm still going to hold it. It's something I added to the A team portfolio, so we'll hold it for the whole year. So it doesn't really matter. So the entry price was $6.50, and we'll see. The cool thing about Filecoin that I like here is that obviously it's one of the largest storage, if not the largest storage for anything out there. And I guess, like I said, I'm looking more for the pricing on it than anything else. And the pricing right now, as you can see, the all-time on it right now is still 45% down from its all-time, or from just from when it launched. So it's still down. Overall, it's down 45%, which is pretty damn crazy. It's still negative, right? And that blows my mind, being that this is one of the largest out there, still a top 30 cryptocurrency, ranked number 30. And I think that there's just some potential for this to do well. That's just my own feelings out of this. Nothing more, nothing less. Long time no talk. Yeah. Ricky, what's up, man? Bullish on Crow. Crow is we went through Crow yesterday. I think a lot of people know how I feel about Crow. Not that I don't hate Crow. It's just served me cold pizza. That's what it comes down to. Went to sleep. Austin was on. Wake up. Austin's on. Can you go live in 4 hours so I can listen on work? Went to sleep. Austin was on. Woke up. Austin is on. Oh yeah, that's right. You're gonna be out there doing the repo stuff. I was at work but listening. Shh, don't tell my boss. You got those AirPods in right there. Don't sleep on STX. STX. What's STX? Tim Shea is late again. He'll probably pop up. What's up, Tim? What's up, Brad? Good to see Brad in the house here. I also saw a few minutes of your truck stream. Thought was gonna be a food review. Oh, my truck. Oh, in the truck. Oh, yeah. That's awesome. Don't say awesome. Don't say it. Uh-oh. Well, I might be down in crypto, but my paycheck is bullish. Green, purple, blue, red, orange. Yeah, no shit, right? Getting served cold pizza, that's a fireable offense. Yeah, and that was our discussion yesterday, dude, was honestly like Crow was the cold pizza. You got served cold pizza, and that's one of the worst things you can possibly be served. And that's how I felt about it. Not that I hate Crow. I think Crow's probably going to do well. It's just like, you just have some animosity towards it. That's all. You know what I mean? Oh, Wizard Cell, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Hope all is well. Let's see. What is something? What? What is this right here? Shaman, what is something you wish was gluten-free? Oh, yeah, there's gluten-free pizza out there. But okay, so tomorrow we have actually a pretty big thing here. We have the jobs report out there coming, and it says Friday's jobs report will be a big signal for market looking for good news. Says the December jobs report hits Friday morning. The market's looking for a 170,000 increase in non-farm payroll and an unemployment rate of 3.8%. It says the chief market strategist said the acceptable range is really something like 100,000 to 250. That's broad. That's too big. It says this market has got itself a little jazzed up about the rate cuts, and when they're going to happen, people need to focus on whatever he's saying. Basically, they feel that there's positivity in this jobs report, but I guess you should not get your hopes up too much. Basically, that's what I sort of read from this. It says the market figures that the Federal Reserve is done hiking rates and should start cutting as early as March, eventually looping off 1.5%. Which really isn't that much. Like I said, JP Morgan and them came out and said that the lowest we're probably going to get is maybe a 6% interest rate, which is like still horrible, right? Because we're so used to the 2%. Basically the millennial generation, that's what I guess maybe we're a little selfish. That's sort of what we expect now. We grew up with it. So we should expect 2%. So when it gets to 8%, 9% like it was, it's like, what the hell is going on? Because we've just been spoiled. And so now trying to get back down to 2% could be a little rough. And so when they say looping off about 1.5%, that's really only looping off, down to 6%, which is still horrible, horrible. It says recent news coming out that the Feds is pushing back at least a little on the anticipated trajectory. It says that if we were to get above 250,000, then people might look at that and say we have to cancel March as a potential rate cut and maybe take one off the table for this year. So that right there is a little scary. So tomorrow we're going to really find out, probably early morning, 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We'll probably find out the jobs report, which will really determine where the market, probably mostly the stock market, but cryptocurrency will probably follow too. It says markets have gotten off to a rocky start this new year. Obviously, we're running 5 days in the negative right now. I can say that the futures are looking pretty good, but last night our futures looked good. But that's the bad thing here is we've had the worst start. We've had the worst start to a market since October of 2022, which again is not the greatest start to the year. 2 streams again. Nice. What's up, Tim Shea? Tim Shea's in the house. I knew you'd show up. Yeah, Marty F. Joe. Gronk is moving. You guys buy some Gronk. Little Debbie cakes. Dude, those Debbie cakes are oof. If you want to make serious money in crypto, hack Marty's phone. Marty's on him, dude. Marty is on him. I will give Marty that, dude. He's all over him, dude, like white on rice. I feel you, Tim. I just got Saturday work. Slim Cheeses, what's up, buddy? But yeah, so we've gotten off to obviously a rocky start here. Tomorrow we'll find out if it's going to be even better. The pre-markets are looking pretty positive, got to say. I mean, barely up. I mean, we're not like crazy. The Dow's up 42 points. The S&P's up 4, and Nasdaq's up 9 points. So not really that great, but it says that the wheels are coming off the economic cart, and the Feds has to rush in to stimulate it. That's bad rate cuts. The good rate cuts are if the path of inflation continues towards the Fed target. That's a good rate cut. So if that doesn't happen until the second half, they're fine with it. So they're basically saying that the rate cuts look like they're happening, but if they have to like jump in and put a rate cut out there again quicker than it should, that could actually hurt. But same time, I mean, I would much rather have a faster rate cut. The faster we have rate cuts, the bigger we can trigger the economy, more buying power. People that are sitting on the fence of whether they can buy a house or afford a house based off of a 1.5 rate is huge, right? 1.5 on a house is insane. So even 1.5 on a car is insane. So that's where the spending, we need people to be buying homes and buying cars and doing all that kind of stuff again to really trigger the economy. If you want to make sense, if you want to make serious money in crypto, yeah, hack Party's phone. That is so true. He was putting out some pretty good ones on, what was it, Friday for the Solana thing. I like red means time to buy. Yeah, that could be whole damn squad in here. Yeah, we got everyone here. 40 so far, 40 people coming in. I don't think people were expecting me to come on, even though I said I was coming on to stream tonight. Yeah, I don't think people were. Still trying to get back into the swing of things here. I think there's a lot of people out there that don't even know that I'm back, which is cool, but it's all good. Let's see here. Another thing too here is it says dipping through the details. It says wages have been a concern as inflation component. The expectations for average hourly earnings is 12-month growth rate at 3.9. Yeah. The unemployment rate is expected to tick up to 3.8, which still keep it below 4 for the 23rd straight month. That's actually pretty good. I mean, unemployment rate is at 3.8% is pretty damn good, honestly. Remember, that's what we were battling. We wanted people to lose more jobs, but there was more jobs being created. That was the issue in 2023 was they wanted more people on unemployment. That would have probably been better for the economy. I know that sounds crazy, but they wanted it to slow down, right? They're that's what they were anticipating. They were wanting to slow down so they come out of it stronger. But we kept basically having more and more jobs and less unemployment. And so, that actually was a bad thing for the economy, as crazy as that does sound. Um, Says the overall picture is one in which the labor market is gradually decelerating in a very orderly fashion. I expect December to continue to trend just gradual cooling to around 150,000 new jobs and possibly a small uptick in unemployment because so many people have been pouring into the workforce, which has continued to be sort of what we've seen before. Um, they noted that a higher rate is still below where it is prior pandemic. Um, it says the labor, what is it? Where was it at here? But they're basically saying, yeah, the job picture overall has shifted. And with the once hot tech sector now lagging in terms of job openings and healthcare taking the lead, economic research director, basically they believe that this could actually be tomorrow could be a good jobs report, is basically what it comes down to. Too many people with jobs killed the economy. Isn't that wild to think like that? Isn't that crazy to think that if you had a job, like you helped bring down the economy? It's because all of our money, I mean, honestly, dude, a lot of our money is being shipped overseas. So, like, of course, we don't have money to fund these things. Of course, we don't have these things. I mean, like it really is. I know that people don't want to get into those political talks, but I mean, like, you gotta sort of call it what it is. I mean, when money is constantly leaving the country to go, fight foreign wars. I mean, what do you think happens? What do you think happens? It's pretty crazy. Um, So here's another thing came out here is that Ethereum ETFs likely coming as SEC has noted the ETH would be a commodity. So this is something we talked about earlier today. We were talking about whether ETH would actually be the next ETF, and I absolutely think that it's going to be the next ETF. I think that pretty much through Gary Gensler's cheeks, he's basically said that ETH is a commodity. He said it previously in some of his speeches when he was at MIT. So for him to sit there in front of Congress, I think that this will be the next ETF that comes through. If it's not if obviously Bitcoin then Ethereum. It says the CFTC is blatantly calling Ethereum a commodity. They do not call them securities. The SEC has approved Ethereum futures ETF. So again, Gary Gensler will not explicitly say whether Ethereum is a security or commodity, but in their actions, by approving those Ethereum futures ETFs, they're basically accepting those Ethereum futures as commodity futures. I mean, that's pretty much enough said right there. It says the first Ether futures ETFs in the U.S. were listed for trade on October 2nd, with several investment firms launching a total of 9 funds on the Chicago Board Options Exchange. And it can find itself in a court of unlisted ETFs. So, I mean, in all reality, what was that? My thing beeped at me. In all reality, the ETFs, I'm pretty sure we're going to be seeing that with all the other large institutions, BlackRock, all of them as well. It is what it is. Let's not be delusional. I know. Let's not imagine thinking things are going well. We can't have this. I know, right? Things are going so great. Things are going so great. We can't have this. We gotta do something about this. It says the SEC has a final decision deadline for VanEck, ARC21 shares, hashtag spots for ETH ETFs in May of 2024, with other decision deadlines coming in the month following. Obviously, we heard about the Bitcoin ETF being approved hopefully by January 10, with 10 billion flowing into Bitcoin ETFs within 12 months. I mean, that's a lot, dude. $10 billion in flowing. I mean, being that it is $880 billion market cap, 10 trillion or 10 billion. It's at 880 billion market cap. So 10 billion doesn't really seem like that much, but that's actually a lot of money. That's actually a lot of freaking money. So, again, right here, I think this wants to. This was actually a good report here. Whether Bloomberg's right or wrong, I don't know, but they basically said that the Bitcoin spot ETF approval would come tomorrow, and that he thought the approval rate or approval date would be between January 8th and January 10th. He said that the analysts do not expect any development this week and are focusing especially on January 10th. January 10th is known as the SEC's final decision date for the BTC spot ETF applications. The SEC may decide to postpone, accept, or reject Bitcoin spot ETFs on that day. In case of rejection, applicant companies are expected to file a lawsuit with the SEC. However, again, we've gone back and they filed lawsuits with the SEC before, and I'm pretty sure that the judges would still side on the SEC side, right? I mean, that's just going to be how it is. So, unfortunately, that would be detrimental to the cryptocurrency market. Like, our investments would probably take a shit overnight. Just based off of the news from the ETF, we'd probably lose 40% of the market, 30 to 40% of the market. I know people don't want to hear that, but that's probably likely going to happen. So again, either you're bullish or you're bearish. If you're bearish, you're going to probably be removing money from the market. If you're bullish, you're probably going to hold your positions and hope for the best. So yeah, that's where we're at with this. It's still on the table to be fully rejected, which is scary, right? I mean, because we do know that last time it was rejected, there was about a 30 to 40% decrease in the market back in 2017. So stopped in to hit that like button. Got to go to work. Appreciate you, Franco. Thanks so much. I might be a few late, but I'm here. What's up? What's up, Justin? Good to see you, buddy. Who's the Solana Moon Boy? Dude, I'm a Solana Moon Boy now, dude, for sure. I'm gonna support Solana. Might as well. I think they have an opportunity to do well again. For sure. They already are. Stopped. I'm barely bullish. That's a good one. I'm barely bullish. That's good. Solana came on the Sol rocket ship. Dude, Solana did. Anyone that got in at at those prices down below, kudos to you, man. Kudos to you. That's fantastic. Like really, really good. Solana. Oh, that's good. So another thing I want to talk about is I had a few people on Twitter hit me up about Mara and about Riot, asking sort of what they were. So we talked about this morning. Mara is one of the largest, basically digital asset technology companies in the United States. They're out of Las Vegas, and they basically are just a giant mining company for Bitcoin and any other digital assets out there. It's not just mining; they have ASIC miners across the board. So they're basically probably mining anything that they possibly can to make money, Bitcoin being one of them. Same with Riot. Riot is probably right up there. They're probably second in terms of just market capitalization. Same sort of deal here. This company is out of the United States as well. And I think that they are actually out of... I thought I read that they're out of Colorado. Yeah, that's right. So these people are based out of Colorado. But again, a giant Bitcoin facility. And then the one I'm actually going to be looking at here, this is basically like a penny stock. Again, I don't really know how well it's going to do, right? You'll have to basically see how it's going to do in the next run. But right now, it's all-time highs, or roughly about $5. And that was the last bull run. But another Canadian-based, this one's Canadian-based, does sort of the same thing. They basically do Bitcoin mining as well, and this is just a smaller cap stock. But they've been around since, I don't know, probably 2000. I think it was 2000, June of 2019. They started out at basically 28 cents, went all the way up to almost $5. So, geez. And then this year, right around September of 2022, they fell down to about 41 cents, and now they're sitting at almost $3. So again, this is sort of how Riot started as well. If you go back and look at Riot when they first started, Riot was like really really low too. I mean, look at this. Like they were down to like back in 2016. They basically had this lull, but at one point, Riot was trading for $2,300 a share, and then they fell off the map, came crashing down. They basically reevaluated what they wanted to do as a company, and they were trading down here at like $2 a stock, $3 a stock, and then over the last 5 years, they pulled out of the trenches, then went up, and yeah, pretty remarkable what they've been able to do to come out of that. But Mara Riot Hut. Yeah, Hut's the other one too. So this one's smaller than Hut. Hut's the next one that we were looking at this morning. They're right around $12, and another Bitcoin facility. So they're at $12. All-time high was 42. They've been around since about 2018. Same sort of deal, just a mining company, and they're based out of Miami, Florida. So again, I basically what I'm saying is that you have an opportunity to buy into stocks that are also going out and generating the cryptocurrency of which we hold. So, there is opportunities in the stock market as well. And for some reason, these digital asset companies seem to have the same returns as crypto. I mean, you're buying in at $5 and it's going all the way up to 30 within a month. You know what I mean? So you're getting a pretty big return in the stock exchange or in the NASDAQ, which typically doesn't happen a whole lot, right? I mean, usually it takes, usually if you get a 5% return in a month, you're excited, but these ones you're getting, 2, 3, 400% in a couple months, it seems. I mean, there's obviously volatility involved, extreme volatility. So you got to be careful of that kind of stuff. Wish I had as many Solana as much as I do Crow. I'd be set. Yeah. I mean, Crow. I don't know if Crow's on my list anytime soon. I'll probably at some point maybe buy it, but it's just not on my list of things or priorities for some reason. I think I have my priorities set on other things at the moment. Obviously, I got one of them off today with Filecoin. Like I said, I bought $8,000 of that. I'll probably come back through, and my next purchase will be $8,000 of VeChain. I think VeChain is going to be my next purchase. I think that we'll see how that plays out, and then my next one after that, I don't know. I'll probably add to a bag that we have. Tim is yeah, he's the mayor for sure, dude. I'm up 3.5 on Osmosis so far. Don't sleep on the Cosmos chain. I forgot about the Osmosis, Tim. That is true. I forgot about Osmosis, the Cosmo chain. That's they partnered with Terra Luna, right? I think they're aren't they that's the last I think I heard was that weren't they part of Osmosis was part of the Luna chain or Terra Luna. Atom ecosystem is hit right now. My BitF had been doing well. Then they screwed their investors and introduced millions of shares just to pay their CEO hundreds of millions. It's wild what Riot and Mara have done. Oh, you're saying that they screwed? Oh, is that what they did? They screwed investors? Or are you saying that like what they've done in terms of being able to climb how they are? I guess I'm confused, Justin. Austin, you said it was on the list. I'm holding you accountable. What was on the list? Crow is oh, you're saying Crow? I said Crow was on the list? Oh shit. Did I say that? Where did I say that at? Oh gosh. From an addict viewpoint, Solana is the play. This shit's addicting. You'd rather get VeChain over Crow when Crow will hit $1, 10x that 8K. But see, I'm also looking at it from yeah, what's up, Arthur? Good to see you. They diluted the hell out of investors. Oh, I get what you're saying. When did they do that? I don't remember seeing them do that. I have my stuff hasn't taken a hit. I mean, I'm happy with where it's at. I guess I was not even, I guess, aware of that, to be honest with you. You'd rather get VeChain? I think so, dude. I think I'd rather get VeChain. And the reason why I say that, because Crow, I feel like, I don't know, it never got close to that dollar in the bull run, and they've done a lot since then. Let's be real, they've done a lot to their blockchain since then. You had a lot more projects launch on it during 2020, or mostly during 2023 with their NFTs and things like that. Oh, it's in their S1. Gotcha. I'll have to check. Yeah, I'll have to check that out. Is this live, bro? It's 1:29 p.m. in Australia. Yes, I'm live right now, dude. I've done some night streams. VeChain never fails to fail. Yeah, so like that's the thing with VeChain. So I think when it comes to Crow right now, obviously it's up 378% all time, from its all-time low to where it's at now. So I mean that's really not that big. A 300% from its all-time low to where it's at right now is pretty crazy, to be honest with you. So yeah, there is an opportunity to 10x that. I guess where I'm looking at it from a VeChain standpoint is like, when you're looking at VeChain here, and it does seem to go down a lot. This is doesn't seem, it's almost like it's been flatlined for as long as, I mean, basically all of 2023. It's basically just sort of been a dud, right? But I'm looking at it from a bull run standpoint, and turning right now, if you got it for 3 cents, you would do the same thing as Crow. It'd be basically the same exact average as Crow in terms of where it is if it came back to all-time highs. But yeah, I mean, I have some, but not more than I have Crow, bro, and that's my side. It always takes a while with Crow, but man, I think your 8K is safer. You think so? Okay. I would take Crow over Vet because it was top 10 exchange, was great adoption, and potential to eat those BNBs asleep. I know Crow served me some cold pizza though, dude. So I'll have to re-energize myself. But just being on. No, I appreciate you, man. No, be honest, man. No, that's good. I like to hear it. Sweet Austin, good to see you. Good to see you too, Jonathan. Appreciate you being in here, man. That's crazy. 130 in Australia. Wow. STX has a good chance to go top 10 in the bull run. Is that Stacks? That's Stacks, right? And that Stacks, yeah. STX right here, Stacks. Yeah, and this is pretty interesting. This is I heard some people talking about this. Sort of like they're connected to the layer, the smart the layer one, or a smart layer. Sorry, they are a Bitcoin layer for smart contracts. I kept wanting to say smart layer, but it's smart contracts, which is pretty cool. I mean, obviously I think this is one of the biggest this is the biggest smart contracts for Bitcoin, right? Being able to build smart contracts on Bitcoin. I was listening to, who was I listening to talk about this? Someone was talking about it. Someone was talking about it on YouTube. It was some dude, I don't even know his name. Yeah, it sounded super interesting. I just never jumped into it. I remember you said no more exchange coins. You just, when you sold your Crow. Yeah, that was the hard part. Is that like, so Crow, I get that Chronos is a blockchain, but like they were also they're also an exchange. And I don't know, man. I just feel like, I don't know. They just did, I don't know. They did people dirty, I felt. That's all. But they did take a lot of heat during the whole during the whole Sam Bankman-Fried stuff. Crow took a lot of heat, dude. Honestly, they did. Trent, what's up, buddy? F. Joe has been eating tomahawk steaks ever since he's been a Solana boy. Oh shit, that's funny, dude. Missed the 1 p.m. Eastern time because I had a meeting. Oh, it's all good, bro. I appreciate you stopping by tonight. But that's funny though, man. Austin, someone asked on your video the other day about game coins. I bought into a pre-sale of Pika Moon, playing beta game coin. Will probably be ready to claim later this year. Pika Moon, huh? Is that is that Ethereum based? I'm assuming, or is it something else? Holy shit! Someone can't sleep. Love to see it. Always, always support, man. I may not be in every one of your streams. I'm busy, but love them all. I appreciate you, Arthur. Thanks so much, dude. I appreciate you showing up and giving your opinions and stuff. I really do, man. Crow definitely stood up to the FUD. Dude, they did. I'll give them that. They did stand up to the FUD for sure. Like without question. Crow's about to do an upgrade. Dude, haven't they been saying they're going to do an upgrade for like over a year? ETH, BNB, Matic, Sol, and Crow. You know what? Matic is I've sort of fallen off the Matic bandwagon a little bit too. Obviously I still own Matic, but I've fallen off the bandwagon just slightly with them. I don't know why. I mean, they're still killing it. Don't get me wrong. They're still absolutely killing it. But, again, when we talk about returns, their all-time high is $2.75. So, I mean, maybe a 3x, 3.5x at their all-time highs during the next bull. Is that worth it? You put 10K in, you get 30K. I mean, yeah, that's good money, but like I said, I'm looking for putting 10K in something and getting 100K out of it. That's my goal. 10K in, 100K out of it. I know that sounds crazy, but that's really my goal. So like Filecoin, I put 10K in. Actually, I put 8K in. I got to put 2 more in, but I put 8K in. But my goal is to somehow 10x that 8K in a blue chip. I'm not talking meme coin or that kind. I'm talking 10K, 10x in a blue chip. Can it happen? I definitely think it could. It fucking scared me. Oh my god, my phone just scared the hell out of me. I got my bags packed and loaded on Solana. Average cost of $22, and I'm not selling a single one until people start asking me about crypto and what is Solana. What do you think? Yeah, dude, that's awesome. That's fantastic. I $22. I mean, dude, that means you're up roughly what 246, 10. I mean, you're up like 4x right now. That's fantastic, bro. You know what I mean? Like super, super cool to hear that kind of stuff. For sure, a gamble. Yeah, nomadic train here either, or not anymore. Yeah, I sold. Well, I mean, dude, we bought in at 30 cents. It went all the way up to when was this? It went all the way up to shit. Where was it? Well, we bought it at 30 cents down here, and then it went all the way up to like somewhere into the dollar range. Yeah, it was up here. Had to have been right around February 2023. I sold somewhere in here, and then I bought some more, and then I sold it again. And then I've sold it, and I haven't looked back, dude. But I made money off Poly for sure. Poly was actually a good return, but I sort of just lost face. I was listening to some of their Twitter Spaces, and I was just like, 10x on a blue chip. That's what we're trying to do. Okay, that's what we're trying to get at, bro. That's what I'm trying to get at. 10x on a blue chip. That's why again I go back to an established crypto. Like, internet computer could be really good. I mean, they've already done very well in the last, probably close to a year. They're already up 2%, or sorry, 200%, 250%. Yeah, their all-time high was 400, but like the chances of getting back to that is probably pretty small. They're probably mostly going to get back. I could see them probably getting to like the 60,000 or $60 mark. Could they get back to a $130 mark? I don't know, dude. That's a lot, right? And plus, they're already at a $6 billion market cap, so like that's tough as well. So my next thing that I wanted to was to buy into, like I said, Filecoin. Again, it's at a $3 billion market cap. What are the odds that you could get this to $60 per coin? And I don't know. The answer is I don't know, but I feel like all-time high for this was 100 and almost 190, I think, 190 per coin. So the chances of it getting back to $60, I feel is a lot better of a chance than most. Yes, sir. The 30-cent train sold at 110. Hell yeah, dude. Austin, trust the MTM and ATM process. That's awesome. I bought Psy at September 17th, 17 cents. Nice jump, dropping off though. Yeah, so I mean, people are saying it's going to be a good blockchain, right? Near protocol. Oh yeah, I forgot about Near protocol. Where is Near? Near is right there. Near protocol, sitting at about almost a 4 billion market cap. So yeah, all-time high would be $20. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. That'd be about a 5x from their all-time highs. Then it doesn't mean that they're going to reach that, right? I mean, they have a billion supplies. So that's not too bad. Yeah, I only bought 1,000. What's up, my Ultra Journey? Good to see you, man. I'm liking Kava at the moment. Kava. Why have I heard of Kava? Kava. Yeah, it's trading at 81 cents. All-time high was 9 back in the bull. Yeah, that's not too bad of a one in terms of like what I'm looking for. Like, again, I'm not looking for like, I don't want like, oh, I'm looking for utility. Oh, I'm looking for this. Like, yeah, that's important to have, but like, I just want to see the potential. I want to put my money in where there's potential. Like I said, I want to turn my goal when I buy something is I want to try to get a 10x out of it. Like if I get an 8x out of it or a 7x out of it, like that's cool. But my goal is a 10x, and I think it can happen in the next bull run. Or when we're starting to have trillions of dollars come into it. You know what I mean? Like stuff like that can happen. Uh, Quant, ILV, Sol have been good for me. Some of these all-time highs, the coins had less circulating supply. That's true. They did. They've introduced more circulating supplies. That is very, very true. So some of those will be hard to come back out. And another reason why I like Filecoin, to be honest with you, is that this is a mineable crypto, and they actually haven't added any. They haven't added any of their circulating supply. I mean, it's sitting at 492 million, and so right now, and again, there's a lot of positives with this one. I feel so. 3 billion to 10 billion, sure, but you got high hopes on Filecoin becoming anything but a dinosaur blockchain. Yeah, no, that's where it's established though. That's the thing is that so Filecoin's an established. I feel it's it's an established crypto when it comes to like basically filing and things like that. But ICP is the up and coming one that probably does pretty good too. You know what I mean? Filecoin could be the one, although it hasn't done much since 2021. It was really high back then. Yeah, it was definitely really high. I mean, and it's done good. I mean, just in the past, and it's still not even out. It's still, 45% down from just being even. In the last month, it's gone up about 32%. Last year, it's about 88. So, there's still some room to be playing. We'll see what happens, right? Jesus have mercy. Was Bone really ever a good? But from a year ago, I really can't say it was. Well, we bought it at 30 cents. Bone, we were talking about this yesterday, dude. Bone in all reality is just another meme coin, right? That's all Bone really is. Where am I going here? Dex tools. Yeah, and so Bone was just another, basically just another shit coin. And I think I just liked my odds with it. You know what I mean? Like I thought there was a pretty good opportunity to take 30. We bought it at 30 cents. We bought it at 30 cents back in when was that? Back here. We bought it for like 30 cents back here in May or something like that, or June or May of 2022. And I rode this thing up like all the way. And I think I ended up selling. I don't know where the hell I sold. I think I sold on this. I think I sold on this one. Yeah, I sold in here. So I sold in this last little rally right here. So I think I made 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Yeah, I made a 5x on my bone. That's what it was. It was a 5x. But I was hoping it was gonna get the $3, dude, and we are gonna be able to get a 10x on it. Like I was really hoping Bone was gonna get to a 10x. But I just don't see it happening. And now you can see it's tailing off again down to 60 cents again, which is just, it's kind of abysmal, to be honest. We did. I thought Bone was going to be the coin of the future for the Shibarium. I really did. I had high hopes for it. But we all recalibrate. We go back and we look and we think and we debate and we realize that maybe it's just not what we all thought it was going to be. Don't sleep on Bone. What's up, Shabs? Disappointed on Bone, yeah. Arthur, but Shiba could still put something off. Yeah, Shiba's going to be interesting as well. I mean, I don't know if I'm going to put any money into Shib at the moment. I moved on from a lot of that. It still doesn't mean that I don't believe in like what they could potentially do. They do have a lot of money in there, but I think people. I don't know what's going to happen with it. To be honest with you, dude, I definitely don't see it getting back to its all-time highs. I mean, that's insane right there. Look at that, dude. This thing was at a 8. What was that? 8 point. I wish it showed you at the market cap, but dude, that was doing 8 billion in 24-hour trade volume right there. 8 billion, dude. Oh my god. 8 billion. That's a decimal coin. Is it a good play? Decimal coin. I haven't heard of that. A lot of people are liking Snake. I know nothing about it. Oh yeah, it's on the. Isn't it on Cardano? I think it's on the Cardano, the ADA. It's a. I think it's a meme coin on Cardano, right? Yeah, I think it's on Cardano. Yeah, Cardano. Damn. Yeah, this thing's rallied pretty good, up 800%. You know, my buddy, he told me about this when it first came out. I wonder if he still has it. I gotta ask him if he still has it. He bought it like when it first came out. He might have sold. I don't know, or he still has it. Shiba had its hooray already. The gains will be minimal at best. That's probably true, Dr. Moneybags. Probably true. Minimal at best. Multiverse X. Is that Ethereum based? What's the ticker? Is that what it is? Multiverse X? Multiverse X. Dude, damn, that's ranked pretty good. 52 ranking. Wow, shit. That's up 242% from its all-time low. It's up 70% on the year, 60% on the month. Huh. Damn, that got up pretty high too. I mean, almost $500. That's wild, dude. Multiverse X. I never freaking heard of this, bro. Oh, it had an initial coin offering. So this could be a security. Is that what it's telling me? Multiverse is the blockchain protocol that seeks to offer extremely fast transaction speed using sharding. All right. The smart contract execution platform is okay. 15,000 transactions per second. No, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Oh, okay. So it's part of the Elron network. All right. Meme coins are going to pop off one by one. Yeah, I think they will too. E-gold. All right, E-gold. It's pretty good. Meme coins are going to pop off one by one. Yeah, they probably will, dude. There's going to be a lot of fluctuation between blockchains and meme coins. Meme coins continue to fuel these rallies within these blockchains. I still have my SHIB and a little of the ecosystem coin. Okay. What's up, Xander? I can't see SHIB doing it either. I can't, and that's why I say again they pulled a good one with Bone. That's true, they did. They did pull a good one. Leash too. Leash obviously was another good one. Damn, my bro would be crushed by this stream. He's a Shiba Maxi. I tried to pull him away. Hey man, you know that's it. That's what it is. H bar could be a good one for a 5x. Yeah, I owned H bar for a while there. I ended up selling H bar. Keep that multiverse. Okay, keep that on the radar. As you look into Jupiter and its swapping trading and potential airdrops, I did not. What is Jupiter? Is it like just a meme coin, or is it actually a legit crypto? Your bros and Maxi. Platano Jones, what's up, bro? What's going on, man? Good to see you, dude. Have you analyzed Elmo ERC and MMA? I have not, David. I have not. Oh, it's legit. Jupiter. It's just called Jupiter. We'll look it up, Justin. Jupiter. Oops. This one right here. This one in the green. That's already scaring me. Ranked 3,187. Jupiter is dope. Set limits, auto DCA, Solana Dex. Oh, it's a Solana Dex. Oh yeah, Jupiter. Oh, okay. Okay, I know what you're talking about now. I just don't know if that's the one right there. Jupiter. Yeah, I probably won't be touching this one. To swap 53 and 23 likes. What the fuck? Hit that like button. Heck, yeah. Do what Arthur said. Shama, my man. Good to see Platano Jones. Platano. Jupiter is on Solana and it provides leverage trading, swapping the coin. JLP is the ticker for the liquidity pool. JLP. Oh, so it's this one right here. I don't know, guys. I don't know. That one's a little sus. But hey, do you boo-boos? Do you get that money? Ride these ones. It's doing a 2 million in 24-hour trade volume, 25 million market cap. I don't know. I don't know about the token, but the site is dope. Oh, so let's check. We'll take a look at the site then. Twitter, Discord, chat. The fudge website right here. Okay, yeah, you can do limit, DCA, set it and forget it, bridge, perpetual. All right, this is for the Solana. Yeah, okay, yeah, it is Solana. USDC. Yeah, so just a basic swap. Correct. This project is supposed to airdrop like Jito. Okay. That's a no for the game. You can DCA down to the minute. Damn. DCA down to the minute. Gosh, that's pretty wild. Down to the minute. Let's go back. All right, we're starting to get a little bit of a comeback. Solana's taking a pretty good dip today. Went all the way up to $107 for Solana today. It was ripping earlier. Now it's coming back down slightly. Probably people moving over to Ethereum. Every time Ethereum goes up, Solana goes down. Every time Solana goes up, Ethereum goes down. It seems like there's shifting of money. But we'll see how these markets play out. I mean, Bitcoin's nice to see Bitcoin working its way back up to 44,000. Bro, that's even more sus. JLP chart wasn't better. Multiverse, that would be a 7x. Yeah, Multiverse isn't too bad looking. The swapping on Solana for meme coins is fire. Dude, I heard it was horrible. I heard that the swapping on there was like the slowest thing in the world. Was it Radium like the worst thing to swap on? I'm packing my Solana bags and gonna trade Solana and ETH daily. Oh shit. F Joe's all over that one. I find airdrop farming risky and easy to get scammed. Oh yeah. Helium with 10x. Yeah, you know, Helium's kind of, I like Helium, but I don't know, man. The Helium Mobile is the one that just came out. It's doing pretty good. Everyone was talking about the Helium Mobile is attached to Helium, and dude, look at that, dude, down at 302. This thing went freaking absolutely nuts. It's ranked 169, 273 million market cap. This one's not too bad of a play, but I just don't know if I would I don't know if I can put my money in it. But Helium is good. I actually kind of, I used to own Helium, a decent amount of Helium, and then I sold out on this one. Like, man, that's, yeah. But yeah, 254% up on the year, pretty damn good. All-time high was sitting on 50. So yeah, you could get a 10x out of this if it goes back. But that's where this mining, this is when like mining was at its all-time high for Helium. People were like mining the hell out of Helium with the Bobcat Helium miners. And then the Helium Bobcat miners sort of just went to the wayside. And it's just kind of been like, I don't know. It's just been like, the swapping on Jupiter is very fast and uses, okay. Well, you should let everyone know Jupiter swapping is great. Just can't find new coins. Oh, gotcha. So it's like trying to search for them. God, that's the worst when you can't find, like, you put in the contract and you can't find it. You're like, God damn it. Yeah, I would find the airdrop farming a little risky too. That's a quick way to get your wallet hacked, right? I'm just going off of the previous highs. Yeah, no, I get you. That's all I was looking for, dude. I was like, dude, like, where are these previous ones at? Where could they potentially get to? And so that's sort of where I was looking at as well. Justin, do you know of any good tutorials on Jupiter? Austin, trust me. Helium Mobile and Hive Mapper is great. Is Hive Mapper? I think I saw that. Yeah, the Hive Mapper, dude. Have you guys looked at the Helium? I didn't know that Hive Mapper. Did this come from Helium as well? Launched in Hive Mapper is a centralized global mapping network that rewards its creators for collecting high volume 4K street level imagery with dash cams. Oh shit! When I think of Hive Mapper, I think of I actually think of Helium, because when you go pull up their system to like review where different things are, they have it's like a Hive as well. It's like this little thing. Still the biggest XRP fam here. I don't care who you are, even if you hold more than me. I only have 4K XRP, but it's going to be the mover one day. Just wait. I own XRP. I bought some yesterday, and I've had XRP, but you know, yeah, I think XRP is going to do well, dude. I like XRP too. You just have to post the contract in Jupiter. You can't just put the ticker. Oh, gotcha. I would use it for, yeah, you'd have to, Tim, right? You'd have to use like a fresh wallet. Like, there's no way I would be using my daily wallet. There's always Neo. Why does that sound familiar to me? Neo. Neo. Oh yeah, Neo. Huh. I don't think I've ever got into this one, bro. Yeah, they straight killed it, dude. Even in right there, dude. They were early on, and then boom. 112. Yeah, that's a 10x. Wonder if they what is Neo? Oh, it's so good they don't even tell you what it is. Wouldn't recommend saying how much of something you have online. Oh, you're saying because people can track you? Is that, or like track your wallet? Is that what you're saying, Trent? Like, if I have 5,000 in XRP, then they'll be able to like go back and find your wallet. Is that what you're saying? Or well, Austin Kujar, my biggest bag is amazing. L1, great token, and their Sonar app wallet. Sonar app wallet, damn. Where's Sniff? I don't know where Sniff is. Good question. I haven't seen that guy in a while. No, I don't know. A tutorial conspiracy theorist. I think crypto ETS will be used to overshadow. What's up, Twins Crypto? That shit's wild though. I'm not gonna lie. That shit is whoo-wee. Crypto Hulk is now live. I usually say is live now. I usually say this. Crypto Hulk is live now. Oh, is he live? Does he go live at 7 p.m.? Yeah, I'm an XRP maxi too. Along with Luna Classic and Gala, Luna Classic. Yeah, I mean Luna Classic still hanging in there, dude. That's for sure. There's so much shit out there, almost enough to drive someone crazy. What's up, MK? Yeah, dude. It's hard to stay on top of a lot of things. That's for sure. GDL. Who's GDLT's stream? I don't know if I know who GDLT is. Oh, trust my guy. I know you're holding. I've been there just about a year and some months, but y'all get it before over $10, dude. If it got over $10, that'd be crazy. When XRP hits 589 and someone says 5,000 XRP, then you're telling them how much you have online and can't be targeted. I get what you're saying. Tim or Trent, do you really think it's going to hit 589? ApeCoin, dude. Remember ApeCoin? God, I was like, I almost feel like ApeCoin was just like a, I don't know, I don't really have a whole lot to say about it, but man, oof. What's up, Charles Brown? Luna Classic going up. Yeah, Luna Classic. I mean, dude, the Luna Classic were like we were talking about this last night. Luna Classic was really what brought fun to some of these late night streams, dude. There was, oh shit, it's up 15%, dude. Wow. Absolutely killing it right now. Yeah, hit that, dude. It came out of that hole pretty quick. Good job. Yeah, look at that though. Over the last month, it's down. It's 43%. 15% for the whole year. It's not too bad. But yeah, you just still see this. It's like, gosh damn, dude. It's trying to get back to its new, 30438. That was insane. This was like live on stream. This was like the whole major live on stream event here for like 3 days, 4 days. It was just like booming, dude. Like boom, 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 boom. Insane. Insane times. Fun times. Insane times. Austin, what has ever happened to Cold Dow? Dude, I have no idea, bro. I never owned Cold Dow. I think I bought it. Okay, take it back. Fan made me buy it. I can't remember what I did, but I ended up losing money on it. And so I blame Fan for that. She's like, you gotta buy Cold Dow, you gotta buy Cold Dow. And I ended up buying it, and I was like, oh my gosh, dude, like, what the heck? I'm not like, I would never buy it again, ever. Robert Hole, first time viewer, thoughts on XRP and DOT in the short term and peak bull run. Well, I own both. I bought both of them. They're in our A-team portfolio here. I think anything blockchain related like that is going to do well in this next run. So here's the A-team portfolio. Right now, I'm down. I think I'm down roughly about $100 on DOT right now. I'm pretty much this portfolio. I bought this portfolio at the beginning of the year. Put 1,000 in each of them just for 2024. XRP down $76. A lot of stuff's down right now overall, but I think I mean, yeah, we like them. I'm all on board with XRP. Made multiple videos about XRP. Not so much on the DOT side, but definitely something to own for sure. Austin, what's up, Seiko? And welcome to the channel, man. Appreciate that. 2bit still has ape. What I understand. Oh, does he really? Bro, I have too much vested in security, in security of my assets itself. Not worried about anyone tracing and trying to come back for my gains. Arthur, my Mercedes out. Yeah, dude, you have to be careful with that, dude. 18 strong, Seiko Hunt strong. Just yeah, that's funny. When DGen Dow, IWN. Oh god, dude, IWN. Austin, I never heard you take on the BitBoy situation and his channel. I feel bad for him. I mean, obviously he did to himself to some degree. I guess it's a suck situation. I just feel bad for his kids and his wife. You know what I mean? That's sort of be in that situation. It's crazy. Just spun out of control, man. I think you know what happens is you get big, you start making money. You know, people start to know who you are. You know, a lot of that stuff gets to your head, dude. It really does. People can get to their head quick. You see it all the time. You hear a lot of people on YouTube, a lot of YouTubers out there talk about this, where like that kind of fame, it gets to these people's heads. It really does, and they think they're untouchable. And so when he was starting to like throw out, you know, I'm going to sue this person and sue that person. I got the money for this. Like at that point, that's where it was like, yeah, dude. I mean, when you start going to that level, like it's gone to your head. Like I have all the money in the world. I can do whatever I want. I'm untouchable type of thing. I mean, that's what happened with SBF. I mean, he almost was like at this like untouchable God, right? And so I just feel like that's what's happened. And he hasn't quite come down to earth yet, right? He has a group of people that will continue to support him. As you can see, I mean, his new channel that he built, he came back. Yeah, right there. Ben built up his new channel real quick. So he's going to have people that are continue to support him. So like that's what's happening, is that he hasn't really hit rock bottom yet because there's still support out there for him. And so that behavior, it's just like gone off the rails. I mean, those videos that he made for the karate thing, like I'm like, oh my gosh, man, it's just, it has to be an act. Either like sometimes I feel like there's an act involved too. To be like, to go from like to sort of go like that is crazy to me. But you know, teach your own, man. I hope he's doing well. That's all I care about. Let's hope we're all a little wiser this bull run. Oh, we're gonna be way wiser, dude. I think I'm already. Oh man, Ben built it. Yeah, he built it up quick, dude. Adam, what's up, buddy? Seiko Hunt, yeah, Seiko Hunt. Tim sold 8 back at 2 before it fell. Oh shit, that's good. I'm not afraid of you, Carlos. As he's run, that is pretty funny. I'm not afraid of you, Carlos, and he's running in the ring camera. Oh, dude, that's so funny. That's so funny, dude. Did I miss anything here? GDL N4, he's big on ISOs, digital orgy is there sometimes too. Oh, okay. Good old digital orgy. Yeah, Bencoin was, you know, I mean, like, and he made a lot of money off Bencoin. I mean, that's what I'm saying. Like, there's just so much money. It just gets to your head, bro. That's what it comes down to. You see it. You saw it with like a lot of the influencers, a lot of people that made money off of these meme coins. You know, it gets to your head, dude. You think you're unstoppable. You think you're God because all these money is coming in, and then you know, unfortunately, people are supporting you off of it and stuff like that, and they, you know, they want to see, you know, some people are wanting to see you, you know, fall on your face, and other people are still there to support. So you got a mixture of people, and yeah, it's pretty wild, pretty wild. But yeah, I stayed clear of all that. I let Rodney do that. Most ICP tokens in their ecosystem up good potential. Dennis, what tokens are in their system? What tokens are in their ecosystem that you like? Most ICP tokens in their ecosystem up good. Okay, yeah. Which ones are you thinking? I know I'm sharper. I'll sell USDC now and breathe now. Exactly, dude. Even though USDC depegged 4 times yesterday, like 2 days, was it yesterday? So wild to me, dude. I still can't get over that. Would have been successful if it named it Ben Inu. It's just funny, dude. Funny strong. Yeah, funny strong for sure, dude. Tim, I type in GDLT and a furniture channel pops up. Gold Dow XE. Okay, let's take a look at your gold ICP stuff here. Gold Dow. Gold Dow. Is that it right there? Gold Dow? I don't see it. Maybe it's not popping up on here yet. Gold Dow EXE. 8x8 protocol. Is that it? It's not tracked. Chat. GDLT is the music. Sonic. Okay. I wonder if these are on hot new pair. Dude, you guys are all over these hot new pairs. It's crazy. Index tools. Dude, I haven't been on here in a minute. I feel like I haven't been looking at this for a while, dude. You guys are, I can't believe you guys are still on buying these things. Is wild to me. Does ICP have a DEX? I don't think I've looked up a DEX for ICP. Trucks are supposed to have scratches. Not my truck. I try to avoid that. Not index tools either. Ah, shit. Won't find it there. So where do you find where do you find these at then? Where do you find Chat and Sonic for ICP? I've never bought on ICP. It's just music and charts. Trucks are supposed to have scratches. Yeah, I don't. Gold Dow. There is a lot of dexes now, dude. Look at that, dude. Proof of memes. Jesus. Has 2 dexes. Huh. That's so wild how much this has actually grown right here. Sorry, y'all. I'm currently making Teslas. Still listening. Oh, you're good making true. Do your thing, bro. ICP swap. That's such a thing as ICP swap. Has anyone here traded on ICP swap like Dennis is saying? I've never heard of that. That's wild. I'll have to check that out. But I totally spaced it again. I told Fan I'd only be on an hour. I got to do her thumbnail again. So with all that, I'm actually going to be jumping off here. I'll be on tomorrow, 10 a.m., same time, same place. I actually might be a little late to the stream, like a couple minutes late. Hopefully not. Hopefully I'll be right on time. But yeah, with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, honestly, or a fantastic night, depending on where you're at. But thanks so much for joining me tonight to talk about crypto, to see whether we're bearish or bullish. I'm definitely bullish on crypto. I'll probably be like that until January 10th when we decide what happens with Bitcoin. Until then, we're probably going to be going. Until then, we're probably going to have a rough couple of days waiting until next Wednesday. So we'll see what the jobs report comes out tomorrow. We'll be on stream tomorrow. With all that, have a great night, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. Love you guys. Peace out. Seiko. Oh, that's great.